Imagine waking up tomorrow and the world feels just a little bit faster. Not more chaotic, just more efficient. People work differently, information flows differently. Ideas form faster than you can capture them. And you're right in the middle of it. That's exactly what we're experiencing right now. Artificial intelligence is not something that will come someday. It's already here. It's in your apps, in your search results, in your conversations with other people. Some have already integrated it. Others try to ignore it. But the truth is, it's here to stay. And if you're watching this video, you're no longer asking whether you should learn AI. You're asking how. That's the right starting point. Because you don't need a tech degree, years of experience, or programming skills. You need curiosity, the willingness to experiment, and the willingness to allow yourself to work better than before. Before we get to the practical steps, let's talk about what stops most people. Not the technology, but the feeling of overwhelm. I'm not technical enough. That's completely fine. Today's AI tools are designed exactly for you. They're not built for programmers. They're built for people who want to get work done. There are too many tools. I don't know where to start. True, there are thousands, but you only need 3 to 5 to make 90% of your work more efficient. I can't keep up with all the news. You don't have to. A new model launches every week. Today, GPT leads, tomorrow, Claude, the day after, Gemini. And yet they all start to resemble each other again within weeks. What remains are the fundamentals, the core skills, exactly the ones you're about to learn. 3 ways people use AI. Over the last 2 years, I've watched hundreds of people integrate AI into their daily lives. Almost all of them fall into 3 groups. 1. The everyday user. You want to make life easier. You want to summarize documents, write clearer emails, improve presentations, learn better. Maybe you're a teacher, student, project manager, or simply someone who wants more time for real life. 2. The power user. You want speed. You want to develop ideas, create content, plan, produce, test. You combine tools like Perplexity for research, ChatGPT for writing, midjourney for images, Descript or Runway for video, automation tools for publishing. You use AI as a multiplier. 3. The builder. You want systems, automations, your own tools, repeatable processes that save you hours every day. And the best part? You can do this without writing a single line of code. Tools like N8N, Make, Cursor, or Windsurf allow you to build things in days that previously required whole developer teams. And here's the exciting part. You can move from level 1 to 2 to 3 easily, not in months, but in weeks. Before the tools, the foundation. Artificial intelligence sounds big, but what we mainly use today is generative AI, meaning AI learns from data, recognizes patterns, and creates new content, text, images, video, music. That's it. And at the center is one model type you already know. LLMs. Large language models. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, Meta, LLAMA. Pick any of them. The differences are small. The principles are the same. What matters is not the tool, but how you use it. Key terms. Quick and simple. Prompt equals your instruction to the AI. Token equals small unit of text, matters for length and cost. Hallucination equals AI makes things up. Always verify results. RAG equals AI retrieves real external data. Neural networks equals the model's structure. You don't have to memorize this. You'll understand it naturally as you use it. The 5 most important tool categories. Forget the 500 tools. You only need these areas. 1. LLMs, writing, summarizing, planning, organizing. 2. Research tools like Perplexity or Notebook LM3. Image generators like Midjourney or ChatGPT Image 4. Video generators, Runway Hio, Google Veo. 5. Audio tools, 11 Labs for voice, Suno for music. Plus 1 bonus category, specialized AI tools. These often just put a nicer interface on ChatGPT or Claude. Useful but not magic. Always ask, is this a real function or just prettier packaging? The 4 core skills of AI usage. These skills stay relevant no matter how fast tools change. 1. Clear instructions. Goal, context, rules. Bad. Right. Something about productivity. Good. Write a 500-word article for freelancers about a stress-free Monday. Casual tone, 3 practical tips, and with a quote. 2. Role prompting. Tell the AI who it should be. You are a career coach. You are a graphic designer. You are a marketing expert. It changes everything. 3. Think in workflows. Break big tasks into small steps. 4. Creative iteration. Good results rarely happen on attempt 1. More often, attempt 7. The step that changes everything. Automation. Once you understand how to give clear prompts, which tools you need, how workflows function, then you can start automating. With Make, Zapier, or N8N, you can answer customer requests automatically, capture and qualify leads, schedule meetings, generate documents, even publish content automatically. This is not the future. This is today. And if you go one step further, you reach agents. Agents think. They make decisions. They adjust their workflow to context. That's the next level. And it's available to anyone willing to experiment. Practice. Story. From chaos to routine. Anna, a solo creator, spends 2 to 3 hours a day on research, emails, and script drafts. She starts small. She builds 6 prompts: ideas, outline, script draft, title variations, fact check, call to action. She uses Perplexity for sources and Notebook LM as her personal knowledge bank. Every week she connects. Calendar trigger arrow topic, research arrow, outline arrow, email to herself. After 4 weeks, she saves 8 to 10 hours per week. The quality increases because her system works consistently, and she experiences less stress, the invisible ROI. Common mistakes and elegant solutions. 1. Vague prompts. Replace. Write something about XY with goal, context, rules plus example. 2. Tool hopping. Choose 3 to 5 core tools and stick with them. 3. Blind trust. Add a fact-check step, sources, counter-arguments, uncertainties. 4. Monolithic tasks. Break large tasks into sequences. Plan, research, synthesis, review. 5. No output standards. Define templates. Length, tone, headline formats, CTA. Measuring what matters. Simple KPI ideas. Time per task. Before or after using AI. Quality evaluation. Scorecard, clarity, accuracy, impact. Turnaround time from briefing to publish. Error rate, revision cycles, red flags. Output volume, pieces per week. Impact metrics, e.g., conversion, watch time, leads. Your next concrete step, choose one task that annoys you. Write one strong prompt. Build one mini workflow. Automate one piece of it. Start small. Keep iterating. That's how leverage is created. Tools change, your skills stay. That's your advantage.